Hi guys, how was your holiday?
It was really good. We made a lot of things together.
Let's go to the class.
Guys, I need some advice.
About what?
I've been like Julie for a long time. This is a secret and I don't have courage to tell her.
Really? That's so nice. You should talk to her.
You shouldn't hide something like that.
Do you think she likes me too?
I need to have a serious conversation with you guys.
Here we go again.
So what do you need, Julie? I think I like John. I can't believe it.
Julie, are you okay?
We noticed that you are so different.
No, guys, I'm okay. It's just in your head.
Guys, Julie has missed a lot of classes.
Yes, I noticed too.
I spoke to her yesterday, but she didn't tell me that she was going to be absent.
Look, her mom. Hi, what happens with Julie?
John, I have to tell you. Julie's in the hospital.
What?
Take me home right now. I got all the place to go.
I'm drifting from my innocence.
John?
Julie! Why you are here in this hospital?
Because I was doing some exams. And you, why you are here?
I had an accident behind you.
I miss you.